In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the HubSpot tracking code to WordPress in just 5 minutes. This process will allow you to leverage HubSpot's powerful analytics and tracking tools to better understand your website visitors and enhance your marketing efforts. Let's get started by accessing the HubSpot platform. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials to access your account. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, be sure to complete that step to securely log in as well. Now that you're logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is the hub for all your HubSpot tools and services. Our next step is to locate the Settings button. You can usually find it in the main navigation menu. Click on it to proceed to the settings page, where you'll have access to a variety of configuration options for your HubSpot account. On the settings page, look for Tracking and Analytics. This section houses the tools necessary for managing your website's tracking settings. Click on Tracking and Analytics to open up additional options. This is where we will find the specific tracking code we need to implement in WordPress. Next, within the Tracking and Analytics section, you should see an option labeled Tracking Code. Click on it. Here, you'll find the unique tracking script that HubSpot provides for your account. This code is essential for establishing the data link between your WordPress site and HubSpot. Once you have the tracking code open, you'll notice a copy button. Click on it to copy the entire code snippet to your clipboard. With this code in hand, you're now ready to hop over to WordPress and insert it into your site. Open a new tab and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to Appearance and select Editor from the sub menu. This section allows you to make changes to your site's theme files. We're going to add the HubSpot tracking code to your theme's header file. Look for the header.php file in your theme files. Click on it to edit it. Carefully paste the HubSpot tracking code right before the closing tag. This ensures that the tracking code is executed every time a page on your site loads. Remember, this is a crucial step, so take your time and make sure everything is placed correctly. Finally, click Update File to save your changes. And there you have it, your WordPress site is now integrated with HubSpot's tracking tools. This setup allows for enhanced visitor analytics and can significantly boost your marketing insights. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped streamline the process for you. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy tracking!